After a long day at sea, or maybe a long day in port, you open your door, and it's sitting right there on your bed. Some very scary looking animal that's ready to jump you. Maybe even wearing your sunglasses. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, even though I know many towel animals myself, I'm not going to show you any towel animals, since we do have our professional towel folders right here. We're going to get a big round of applause for our housekeeping team right here. Making time in their busy schedules to show all the different animals. Now, each of them are going to show a total of 300 different animals for you this morning. And we're going to start off with the very first person. So put your hands together for Sandeep. Now, using different sizes of towels for different animals, we're going to use 3 different size towels today in total. So right now we're going to start off with a big towel. And then we start rolling from the short side towards the center. Now, with most of the towel folds, count is the tighter you roll it and the tighter you fold it, the better it's going to look, but also the harder it's going to be. And once you roll the one side to the center, you roll the opposite side also to the center. Now, you make sure that both sides are equal in size. You fold them in half with the rolls on the outside. Then there you pull out the 4 little points, just a little bit. Gonna put 2 in one hand and 2 in the other hand, and then you pull them out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a roasted chicken! Alright, then we continue with a medium-sized towel. Now, you can get somebody to hold it in the center, bite it in the center, or go one at a side at a time. And then you start rolling the other points diagonally down, all the way to the center line. Then the pointy thing, you pull it, and you roll it between the 2 rolls that we just created. You're going to tuck it in, so you do not see the point anymore. And once it's like that, gonna put it on the roasted chicken. Let me turn the roasted chicken into a bunny. Alright, very nice. So we're now going to do, we're going to throw the bunny here to the side. And at the end of the towel folding, we're going to put everything back on the table so you can make a nice photo with them. Alright, then we're going to continue with the next towel. We're starting off with a big towel. Then you start rolling from the short side once again to the center. So the roasted chicken is the basis for many different animals that we create. Not all of them. So once this one is to the center, you start rolling the opposite side to the center as well. You can make sure the rolls are just as big. This time you fold them in half, but with the rolls on the inside. Then once again you pull out the 4 little points. And then the top part, we're going to fold it 2/3 over the rest of the towel. So apart. Then you start rolling the 2 rolls that you just created around the towel. We're going to use a rubber band to keep it all together. Now this is one of the hardest towel animals to make. And there's a little roll on the bottom. You tuck that up and roll that around the 2 rolls we just created as well. Then we have some sticker, we use a green sticker, but you can use any sticker you like really. And we're going to put some eyes, a nose and a mouth on. Alright, once we have that, we gotta wait for 9 months in total. And then you come to your mother and say, "Hey, Mom, I got a baby." Alright, very nice. We're gonna put it right here once again. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, give your hands up for Sandeep. Very nice. Alright, the next towel folder for today is Shen. Shen. Alright, let's see what we're gonna make. Don't forget your towel. Alright, you can start with a big towel here. And then a medium towel. Alright. Gonna start off with the medium towel this time. Alright, we start rolling from the short side to the center. Then we do the same with the opposite one. And you fold them in half with rolls on the outside. You pull out the 4 little points. The 2 points one end, 2 on the other, and you pull it out. And then we got ourselves a baby roasted chicken! Then we continue. Oh, this is a baby towel. So this one is a square towel instead of a rectangular towel. So this one you start rolling from one side all the way to the other side. Then, you fold it sideways in half. We're going to tuck this between the 2 different parts of the baby roasted chicken. Then we continue with a big towel. And with the big towel we start rolling once again from the short side to the center. So we really like rolling here. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the grandeur. And once that one is to the center, you start rolling the opposite side as well. You know, talking about a baby earlier, you know, Shem has some good news. He's going home after this cruise because his wife just got a baby. And it's great because he hasn't seen her for 13 months. Alright, so this one, you fold them in thirds, so you have the rolls on the bottom, you fold 1/3 on top and then the other third on top of that. You flip it over, and then there's the hard part, as there's the 2 rolls and you start rolling them sideways around the rest of the towel. All you have then is a very nice hat, protects you from the rain. And you put a hat on the top of the rest of the towel, and then we have your turtle! Alright, very nice. We continue with the next towel. So once again we have a big towel right here. And once again we start rolling from the short side to the center. So if you learn anything today, learn how to roll the towel. And once this one is to the center, you start rolling the opposite towel as well. Both sides meet in the center. You flip it over and once again you fold 1/3 on top of it. Then you fold the other third on top of that again. You flip it over. I got a nice big roll, just like we had when we made the hat for the turtle. Now we're going to use a little bit of 8, since we're going to use a rubber band to keep it all together. Alright, and then we continue with not 1 but 2 baby towels. Once again, the baby towels are the square ones. And one of them we start folding like a zigzag. Like 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, 1 top, bottom, and so forth until the end of the towel. And once you're done folding the fan, you fold them sideways in half. You're going to tuck it in on the top of one side of the towel. Then we continue with the next baby towel. You fold them diagonally in half so you have a rectangle, a triangle, sorry. Then you start rolling from the long side towards the center point. But you don't go all the way, you leave a little bit of the point left. And you fold them sideways in half. So you still have the 2 points pointing out, you open them up a little bit. Then we're going to tuck them in the front of the towel. And once you tuck it good in, you're going to call your family as dinner is served for Thanksgiving. Turkey time. Alright, very nice. So we're going to put this one on the side as well. And then we continue with the next folder. But first, this was of course Shem. And the next folder is going to be Romy. Ronnie's going to start once again with a big towel. And we start rolling from the short side once again to the center. And the opposite side also to the center. Fold them in half, it rolls on the outside. You pull out the 4 little points. 2 in one hand, 2 in the other hand. And you pull them out, so you got yourself the roasted chicken once again. Then we continue with a towel. It's a medium-sized towel. Now you put the towel sideways in front of you on the table, you fold the top part 1/3 down and then the bottom 1/3 on top of that. You put one finger in the center and you pull the points diagonally down, so it looks like a paper airplane. Then you fold it sideways in half and then the 2 flaps you fold them sideways as well. And we got ourselves a very nice hippo. Nice dog. Oh, let the dogs out. Alright, next up, we have a big towel. We're going fancy now. Once again, you put the towel sideways in front of you. Then you're going to fold the top part about, 5-6 inches down, the bottom as well. Then you start rolling from the side to the center. You fold them sideways in half with the rolls on the outside. You put them on the table and you forget about them. Then we continue with a medium-sized towel. You put them below your chin, and if it doesn't work, you ask somebody to help you out. And you start rolling both sides diagonally down. Now is the center point. So you roll them all the way. Then you take a little point, you put them, roll them a little bit up. Then put it on the rest of the towel. We got ourselves a baby elephant. Very nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was Romy. Alright, next up, but not least, we got Pankaj. Now, Pankaj is a little bit of a legend in Royal Caribbean, as he is the longest working towel folder in the company. He's been working here for a total of 74 years. He really likes me right now. Alright, you fold about, 4 inches or so below the towel. At least I think it's 4 inches, I don't really know American sizes at all, but... Then you do it on the top and the bottom, then you start rolling, once again sideways, to the center, and then the other short way to the center as well. I fold them in half with rolls on the outside, and I put it this time sideways on the table. Then we're going to continue with a medium-sized towel. You fold them in half, with the close side facing away from you. Put one finger in the center, then you fold the points both diagonally down. So it looks once again like the start of a paper airplane. You're going to take the top point just a little bit in. Flip it over, and then we start rolling from the bottom towards the point. But once again, you don't go all the way, you leave a little bit of the point left. Then you fold them sideways in half. You might have to adjust it a little bit so it all looks equal on both sides. Now we're going to use a rubber band to keep them all together. Then we got some real fake eyes, so it can really become a scary towel animal, so they can stare at you all day long. Now opening up our base towel that we had. Put this one in the center. I got ourselves a nice bear! Very nice. Alright, then we continue with our next towel fold. Once again, we start off with the big towel. We start rolling from one side to the center. And the opposite side to the center as well. I fold them sideways in half with the rolls on the outside, pull out the 4 little points, 2 in one hand, 2 in the other hand. And you pull them out to make the roasted chicken. Alright, just shake it out a little bit. Make sure it's very skinny roasted chicken. And put it to the side. Then we continue with the next towel. Alright, then we can use like a clothes hanger, put two sides in the clothes hanger. Then you fold a baby towel, once again a square one, back in half into the triangle. Then you build the points, towers of center point. Fold it in half and then fold it once again sideways in half. You put out the fake eyes. And put it on top of the rest of the towel. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves the monkey, indeed. Alright, very nice. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, these are the towel animals that we make today. So we're now going to do, we're going to put them all right here on the table so you can make a nice picture with it. Now don't forget, in 1 hour from now we're going to have a written test to see how much you remember from all these different towel folds. Now actually what we do have, these gentlemen, they have printed out a little pamphlet which shows you how to make several of these towel animals at home for yourself. And we do have a limited amount of them, so they'll be giving them out. If they happen to run out, you can always ask your stateroom attendant for a copy as well. So for now, thank you all for joining. Can I get a big round of applause for our housekeeping team right over here. We got Sandeep, Shem, Romy and Pankaj. Now my name is Bas and this is one of your daytime events on behalf of our cruise director Bob. Now in just about 3 minutes time we're going to start with the next event right here, which will be a paper airplane competition. On this paper airplane competition we are going to give you one piece of paper. You have to pull a paper airplane out of it. Now it has to look like a paper airplane and we're going to see which paper airplane will fly the furthest. So if you want to join the paper airplane competition, come and see me right now next to the live piano and I'll give you your papers.
We've got to take the tune section.